Regina Daniel, na now your eye dey open small small. Regina Daniel dey laugh. Ruth Kadiri say shame no let am show im husband for social media all this while. Say na now e come fit show some part of im husband face sake of say dem dey celebrate their marriage anniversary. My people, see matter. Hello my correct people, you welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away my ogbonge gist, na you go first dey get the matter for hand. Yes, this matter dey come some few days ago when e never too tey. Sake of say Kadiri, that is Ruth Kadiri, she show some part of her husband face when she take dey celebrate their marriage anniversary. In case you no know who be Ruth Kadiri na Nollywood actress, just like Regina Daniel himself. Na that Nollywood industry now love them for the art. Yes, she come be person wey be say no dey like dey carry her private life, her husband or anything wey be say na her matrimonial matter. She no dey like dey post am every time. She no dey like dey show her husband, especially for social media. But because say she dey celebrate her marriage anniversary, she can't just put some pictures when be saying with the man. That is that they kiss themselves her hand. They just show some part of the face like that. Hey, now many people come they wish them marriage anniversary. Person like Regina herself can't jump enter inside the matter. Now she can't talk say, hey, Ruth Kadiri, oh, you don't show your husband for the first time. It be like saying na shame. Now I know they make you they show your husband since. See, I no know my people whether Ruth Kadiri husband, whether na old man too, na make Ruth Kadiri they hide am, because compared to the picture when we see Ruth Kadiri husband na yongi, na correct yongi. Not be like Nendiwoko when Regina Daniel they hold his hand, they waka like it be like all those people when they babysit old people. When I go see the video when I show for this thing before then, it be like people when they do health workers when they follow old people. Now so we take they carry them in waka, because I don't do work when it be like that. If we won't carry old people waka now like this, now we take they hold them for them to my people, for them to stable so that they not go misstep. Now Regina Daniel they do now. In they do her like follow her like wife. Meanwhile, not be work. It change out to wife session. Now they do follow Nendiwoko. So Regina Daniel come talk say, my people making up like say I dey divert from the gist. Now Regina Daniel come tell Ruth Kadiri talk say, love live here. Wow, it good to follow young man. Oh, hey, say una dey enjoy una self, una look cute together. Now some people come attack Regina Daniel. They come tell and say, mind your business. Wetin concern youngy people when be say that they enjoy their marriage, they go jejeleje. It not be like when be say you marry your ancestors, when be say you marry old man. My people, if una see the statement when Regina Daniel make for there, I drop the screenshot for una make una see am. It be like say Regina Daniel, they miss youngy, no be small. It like say they miss all those young guys, all those young people when be say he know before. Hey, I don't want to mention some names here. Make una not for talk say I too dey forward. For her to make that statement, it means say many things they when be say they miss for that Nendiwoko body. Forget to. Una don't see the way Regina Daniel and Nendiwoko take the waka. Now so couples go suppose be. Now so they waka. Money not be everything. We don't say the matter is not concern us. Yes, but Regina Daniel indirectly, the thing they pepper am because she they show am. She they drop some kind videos, some kind picture these days. The way she take they drop herself. Some videos they here when be say I don't know, I don't fit drop, and that is if you won't see am, go her handle where she they do some kind things. They do like kerewa, different things they show and they post am. It be like somebody when be say they desperate. No, when they people they call desperado. If like say they desperate, if like say this Nendiwoko, they shine her well. That is they give her the things when she they expect, because as a young woman of 20 years old, waiting man of almost 70 years, what he get to offer. Even though say Nendiwoko drink all the agbo when he did this world, or he eat all the medicine when he did for this world, he get where he go do and reach when he be say he no go fit be like Regina Daniel just dey manage Nendiwoko, just dey push and they go. Not be because say she dey really happy for them emotionally. Now the money na make her she dey there, and be like say she self she go dey count the day when Nendiwoko will wave so that she go enjoy wetin she collect for Nendiwoko hand. So when I see that statement where Regina Daniel they talk say whether Ruth Kadiri, whether na she make her not let am show her husband face, I say, did you mean what you are saying? Show your husband face. This Ruth Kadiri husband when we they see so, that is when we dey hear their matter, so we dey even dey hear say the man na secret millionaire. Not be everybody they like to dey come out for social media, they blah 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 blah. As Regina Daniel say any small thing, you go come drop am. After you don't drop am finish, una go talk say make person not talk am. Not be everybody they like am. Ruth Kadiri be like person wey be say they very very private. If you na see am, many people come see dey accuse Regina Daniel say make he comot mouth for their matter at all. Make she mind her business, since na she choose and say na ancestors na she choose to spend the rest of her life with. Say make she dey enjoy am while it last. Make it comot mouth for Ruth Kadiri or when be say e dey enjoy in the sense that whether you don't see the way ancestors now come be say na e dey look fresh. If una look and see am say na Neddy Nwoko sef na e come dey fresh. Regina Daniel don't be like Neddy Nwoko automatically. 20-year-old girl, see the way it be, don't be like that. Is the time when Regina Daniel married the Neddy Nwoko, not be like this it be. That is it. That one shows, even though say all the money there, that happiness, the thing when money not fit buy, the thing not just there. She feel they keep all of them for her mind. She not go fit talk am more. So all those happiness, they're not just there. All of them when they see, be like suffering and smiling. So anything when be said that Ruth Kadiri is sitting now with her husband, if not Gary, they drink am with happiness. Yes, couples go. Just as Regina Daniel talk, and yes, they enjoy them. You know, be like say now you when you come be say now Neddy Nwoko, now you take the fresh. Regina Daniel now come they use Neddy Nwoko, come they take on the old. If you now see the pictures, una go see say it is not really well, not be because of say pikin. Make una forget that, not because say pikin. Yes, we know say one woman newborn pikin, say the thing they stress and well, yes. But Regina Daniel herself, you know they do like person when be say a newborn pikin. The way they do, you know, they be like person when a newborn pikin. It be like people self when be say they see the hustle, they see they look for husband. Now they see things when she they do. Now they see things when she they drop. She not be pikin. This one not be pikin matter at all because if na pikin they stress and all those things when she they do, all those videos and all those things when they do when be say they're not correct at all. You know, even be like married woman. She for not they see chance till they do at all. The thing when I see for here. Na Neddy Nwoko na they collect Regina. They collect and take her the fresh. Yes, they take her the young. If they take Regina Daniel the young, na make Regina Daniel they look old while Neddy Nwoko they look young every day. Because say Regina Daniel born one pikin. What of the Moroccan wife? Now they see the other Moroccan wife. Now they see the way she tell they do her things. That woman, how many children you don't get? You don't get more than one. You don't get more than two. But Regina Daniel herself. You know, the woman still fine, still dey gidigba, it's still fresh. It's still dey fresh. Maybe the only thing we go dey disturb that woman be say Regina Daniel don't collect Ned. They don't even they see her at all. Now Regina Daniel now come they hold Neddy Nwoko day and night. Now they come they see with her day and night. I'm not even sure whether I even get time for all these other wives again. Be like say Regina Daniel with him mama. They don't use autolock, they don't take her. They don't take and clean Neddy Nwoko face. Be like say Neddy Nwoko self. You know they look south side. Now so north side. Now you can't they look now. So I know you believe say now the pikin. I believe say there is something fishy. We will still hear more gist. We will still hear more story for this matter. But Regina Daniel, make you enjoy your ancestor white last time. See granddaughter and grandfather stepping out. Some people then when be say go see that video now. Some people when be say you don't know Regina Daniel at all. They say now wow, now papa now you get likeness for pikin like this. Some people self go they jealous. So papa self. Then they very close to their daughter. Or some people go they feel something. They're not gonna say na your husband though. My people make her hang the matter for here. I don't want to talk past we are not supposed to talk rich. My people, Regina Daniel, enjoy your papa, enjoy your ancestors and leave Ruth Kadiri alone. Not jealous their marriage. Now you talk say now that one now you choose. Thank God say the person when Kadiri choose to, not the person when they beg food they eat, but at least now your husband when be say she dey proud of even though say you dey proud of Neddy Nwoko, now the money now you dey proud of, not be Neddy Nwoko. If to say you go see where you go shopping Neddy Nwoko, make anybody know even they see him at all you for do am, but it not go possible because Neddy Nwoko na sharp guy, no go give you that chance. My people, I beg make una self still drop una comment below at the comment section. Wetin I think that video when Regina Daniel drop. They really match together. When I see the step when they wakana and Regina Daniel when they tell Ruth Kadiri say he they hide the husband, say he they shame put maybe na that one make her not bring the husband come out since. I don't know what Regina Daniel won't take Ruth Kadiri husband face. He won't take and do a beg. I won't make una self make una see chook una mouth put, make una see drop una all comments. Anything wanna think for the comment section. My people, now here I go hang up my story for today. I hope to see you now for my next video where you not go to take for now. I beg, if you be said today na your first time and you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. And for those of una wey don already subscribe, my returning subscriber, God will bless una, appreciate una so much. I go leave una for here now, my people. I hope to see you now on my next video when you know to take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.